Samsung's Galaxy S26 lineup is shaping up to be a serious game changer, and the buzz just keeps building. Last week, everyone was focused on the Ultra's new camera upgrades, and just when we thought that was the big reveal, now we've got some major display news to unpack. So, here's the scoop. That earlier rumor about Samsung switching to a new screen tech called COD OLED, totally real. Ice Universe, the leak legend who rarely misses, has confirmed it. And yeah, COE might sound like something out of a science lab, but here's the deal. It ditches the old polarizer setup for a color filter and swaps in a black pixel layer. What that means for us normal folks? A thinner screen, way better brightness, and lower power drain. That means longer battery life and a phone that looks brighter and sleeker than ever. But Samsung's not stopping there. ICE also spilled the beans about a new anti-reflective coating on the S26 Ultra. If you've ever tried reading a text under the sun and ended up using your hand as a sunshade, this one's gonna be a lifesaver. Less glare, fewer reflections. Basically, outdoor use won't feel like a workout for your eyes. And yep, the screen is growing. We're talking 6.89 inches on the Ultra now. If Samsung sticks with the same body width as the S25 Ultra, those bezels are practically vanishing, like down to just over a millimeter. That's wild. It's starting to feel like Samsung's packing foldable level sleekness into a standard bar phone. Now here's where things take a bit of a twist. Full screen sizes for the S26 series just leaked, and they're not quite what we expected. We've got the base S26 at 6.27 inches, the new S26 Edge at 6.66 inches, and of course the Ultra at 6.89. But the Plus model, nowhere to be found. Seriously, not a single trace of it. Based on model numbers, it looks like Samsung might have just axed it this year. The S25 Plus and Edge were kinda stepping on each other's toes anyway, so maybe this is Samsung cleaning up the lineup. Also, there's a hint that the base S26 might be getting a design glow-up too. Its model number took a noticeable leap, and the last time Samsung did that, it meant a new design direction. So don't be surprised if even the base model looks and feels more premium this time around. So, what do you think? Is Samsung finally nailing the Ultra formula? That bigger, brighter, battery-friendly display is definitely tempting. Drop your thoughts, and yeah, we'll see how this all plays out real soon. Catch you in the next one.